Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a topic shaking up the crypto world like never before. In this exciting video, Trump's remark on Bitcoin, what you need to know, we're unraveling bold claims, big promises, and some pretty wild ideas from Donald Trump. Could he fire the SEC Chairman and ultimately rewrite the rules for crypto? And what's behind his obsession with keeping every single Bitcoin in America's hands? Stick around because we're breaking it all down with curious insights and a touch of fun. You don't want to miss this one. Trump's crypto push is like a chef cooking up a new recipe. Think of Trump as a chef mixing ingredients to make the perfect dish. He's adding crypto-friendly policies to create a flavorful digital money feast for everyone. Trump, crypto, and big promises. What's going on? So here's the deal. As Donald Trump celebrates what looked like a big win on election night at his Mar-a-Lago estate, he had some pretty famous friends by his side like Elon Musk, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., and Howard Lutnick. Now, these names might sound random, but there's one thing they all have in common. Crypto. Yes, that's right, cryptocurrency. At first, Trump didn't talk much about crypto, but things have changed quickly. He's been getting a lot of support from the crypto world, with significant donations pouring in from digital asset fans to fund his campaign at PACs, or Political Action Committees. To make it happen, Trump has had to make bold promises about how he plans to support the crypto industry. On election night, the crypto world went wild. Bitcoin hit over $75,000. Stocks like Coinbase and MicroStrategy also surged as people got excited about Trump's potential win. With the possibility of a Republican-controlled Senate, it looks like Trump could quickly push forward with a more crypto-friendly agenda. It seems that Trump has tapped into the excitement around digital currencies, riding the wave of the crypto boom and rallying behind it in a way that gets people's attention. So, what's next? He promised to make significant moves to back up the crypto industry, from protecting it from overregulation to boosting its growth in America. His words have fueled speculation about how the crypto world might change under his leadership, possibly pushing for legislation that opens up new avenues for digital assets. The crypto world is buzzing, and with Trump's backing, things could get even crazier as he brings his larger-than-life political presence to the financial frontier. But worry not, fellow crypto enthusiasts. We're here to break down Trump's bold remarks on Bitcoin and what they mean for the future of crypto. If you're as curious as we are about these game-changing ideas, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button below, and let's jump right in. Trump's big plan: no selling Bitcoin ever. Here's something wild. Trump showed up at the most significant Bitcoin conference in Nashville this past July and made a bold promise. He said that if he returns to the White House, the federal government will never sell off its Bitcoin stash again. He didn't suggest a full-on crypto reserve like the Federal Reserve for digital money, but he made it clear that Bitcoin isn't going anywhere under his watch. During his speech, Trump said the government has been breaking every Bitcoin fan's golden rule: never sell your Bitcoin. Right now, the US has a pile of Bitcoin from catching financial criminals, and Trump promised to keep all of it, every single coin. No more auctions or sell-offs that mess with crypto prices, like when Germany dumped a ton of Bitcoin and the prices dropped. If Trump gets back in charge, he's all about holding onto the Bitcoin stash no matter what. He even emphasized that this Bitcoin stash could be a crucial part of America's future, and selling it off would only hurt the market. The idea is simple. Why sell when the value of Bitcoin is only expected to rise? Trump's vision seems to center around treating Bitcoin as a long-term asset that could help stabilize the economy and even make the US a leader in the digital currency space. By keeping the stash intact, Trump wants to send a message that America is committed to crypto, creating a digital fortress. It sounds like he wants to turn America into a hodl nation, where Bitcoin isn't just a trend but a permanent fixture in the country's economic future. Not selling Bitcoin is like a collector never parting with a rare item. Think of Trump as a collector who's found a rare and valuable artifact and vows never to sell it no matter what the market offers. Fire Gensler and build a pro-crypto squad. If he makes it back to the Oval Office, Trump has some big plans, and at the top of his list is firing SEC Chairman Gary Gensler. He's been saying it for months. On day one, I will fire Gary Gensler. Now here's the kicker. The president doesn't have the power to fire the SEC chair directly, but Trump doesn't seem too bothered by the details. Even if Gensler can't be wholly booted, Trump could appoint someone new to lead the SEC, which could shake things up. So, why all the fuss about Gensler? He's been cracking down hard on crypto companies, filing over 100 actions against them and insisting that most of the industry should already be playing by the SEC's rules. This has frustrated many in the crypto world, calling it overreach, with companies still uncertain about what's allowed and not in the regulatory landscape. On the other hand, Trump promises to shake things up by creating a Bitcoin and Crypto Presidential Advisory Council to ensure new rules are written by people who understand and support crypto rather than those who view it as a threat. He's also not shy about his disdain for Senator Elizabeth Warren, which the crypto community views as a significant obstacle. With all this talk about pro-crypto policies, Trump wants to turn Washington into Crypto Central, where digital assets are embraced rather than feared, and crypto companies can thrive without constantly looking over their shoulders. Whether or not this plan becomes reality, one thing's for sure. Trump's taking aim at the current system and making it clear that he's ready for a massive overhaul. Trump wants all Bitcoin mined in the USA and more electricity than you can handle. Here's a wild idea Trump is running with. He wants every last Bitcoin to be mined right here in America. In June, he met with many Bitcoin mining big shots in a cozy tea room at Mar-a-Lago. These folks were the real deal, top execs from Riot Platforms, Marathon Digital, and Core Scientific. After the meeting, Trump wasted no time taking to social media, blasting Biden for, in his words, hating Bitcoin, which he claims only benefits China and Russia. Trump's plan? Bring Bitcoin mining back to the USA and crank up so much energy production that Americans will beg to stop. He doubled down on this idea in Nashville, saying, if crypto is the future, it better be made in the USA. Plus, he's talking about creating so much electricity that people might say, enough, we can't take it anymore. Trump's vision is to make the top dog in crypto and energy, turning mining into a patriotic mission. Mining Bitcoin in the US is like keeping the gold rush at home. Instead of pioneers heading west, Trump's plan makes America the one-stop shop for Bitcoin, with miners digging for digital gold right in their own backyard. Let's take a moment to appreciate your excitement and curiosity about the crypto world. If you found this dive into Trump's remarks on Bitcoin, what you need to know, both fascinating and fun, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support fuels us to bring more fantastic content and strengthen this incredible crypto journey. Trump's promise: lower rates and boost crypto. Here's the scoop. Back in August, Trump announced that if he gets elected, he will push for lower interest rates. Here's a little catch. The Federal Reserve, which controls interest rates and handles the country's money rules, works independently of the president. That's not stopping Trump from making big promises. The Fed Chair Jerome Powell cut rates by 0.5 point in September, the first time they made such a move in 4 years. So, why does this matter? Well, when rates drop, borrowing money gets cheaper, which makes businesses happy and often sends crypto prices soaring. It's like giving the economy a little caffeine boost, and crypto fans are here for it. Trump knows this, and he's making it sound like lower rates will be a win-win for everyone, especially Bitcoin lovers. So could cheaper loans and booming crypto markets be available in the future? Trump sure seems to think so. Trump's bold remarks on Bitcoin and crypto reveal a vision transforming America into a pro-crypto powerhouse. From promising to hold onto the government's Bitcoin stash and firing SEC Chairman Gary Gensler to advocating for US-based Bitcoin mining and lower interest rates, his plans could significantly reshape the crypto landscape. While some ideas face practical challenges, the enthusiasm and buzz they've generated show the potential for a significant shift in crypto policies. Whether you're cheering for these changes or watching cautiously, one thing's clear: Trump's approach to crypto is shaking things up like never before. Trump's plan is like giving the economy a Red Bull. lower rates can give the economy a much-needed energy boost, like a can of Red Bull for the financial world. When money is cheaper to borrow, it's like turning the on switch for a crypto market caffeine jolt. If you have found this deep dive into Trump's remarks on Bitcoin what you need to know insightful and engaging, please smash that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Also, comment below sharing your thoughts on Trump's crypto promises and what you'd like to see in future videos. Your support means the world to us as we strive to bring you more valuable content and continue this exciting journey together.